I have a cold, and it has a very, very persistent cough. I found that coughs are very disruptive during things such as class or living. Because anywhere you cough and you have the urge to cough, and there are other people around, and you cough, they're always like, and you're just sitting there coughing your brain down. It's not your fault you have a cough. That's probably really I can't even make a video. It got better and now it's worse again. Anyway, I've decided that this is worse than smelling like fajitas. Because at least when you smell like fajitas, you aren't getting people physically sick. Or you're not getting them actually sick. They might feel sick from you smelling fajitas, but you aren't hacking your germs onto them. Yeah. I had a plot, but then God damn it. I had something to say, but my cough has knocked it out of my brain. Have you ever had, like, hiccups in class? You're, like, every 3 seconds, you're like, oh! Oh. And, like, you tell your teachers that you have the hiccups, and they're like, oh, you have the hiccups when you hiccup. And you're like, yes, yeah, I told you that, didn't I? Yeah, I didn't make that up. And people always have the thing where they have to remind you of something that you already know. Like, I'm coughing, like, yeah, that sounds bad. You're like, yes, I know. I'm the one coughing. But people like to think that they're helping. I actually have a great story about that. So, in the parking lot, there's this person, and there's a sign in the back of their car, and it says, we know about the keys. We're like, what? They know about the keys? And so I'm trying to figure out what this means, right? And we're like, the keys, are they trying to be like Masons? Are they trying to be really cool? Or are they trying to be whatever? And then you see in the back of their car, like the lock that closes the big door. There's just this huge thing of keys sticking out of their lock, like this huge bulging like thing of keys, like Hagrid's keys. How many people told them that they had keys hanging out of their car, and they were like, we know. That they had to make a sign that says, we know about the keys. That's kind of like the cough thing. Kind of. I'm just gonna stop now. I can't do much more damage. But I will leave you with this. That's not what I meant to leave you with. Damn it. I don't even remember what my words of wisdom were. To thine own self be true.